walking around in the dark.
That's what friends are for.
You're a real pal. This business is a jungle. It's dog eat dog. Vultures wait to eat your carcass before you're dead. And how about that little snake in the grass?
I told you.
You were right, and I wasn't going to believe you. Can you imagine what lies you must have told him about me? Me, his fiancée, the girl he's gonna marry. He read all about it.
Sure, you must be broken-hearted.
Yeah, I'm crushed, but I'm not taking this lying down. Lina Lamont is no fool, you know. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling my agent. I'm calling my mother. I'm a big star.
You are, Lina. You got rights.
I owe my public. Just thinking of that alone makes me ill.
Now, don't make yourself sick.
Zelda, how can you say that? Think of all those people when they find out they're using someone else's voice instead of mine. And what's wrong with my voice anyway?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, ain't the truth.
Don't let it upset you, honey. I gotta go. Stay calm. You know how it makes you sweat? And remember, last time you got hives.
Zelda, pals. I'm beautiful, ain't I? Yeah. And I'm talented, ain't I? Yeah. And if you was a man, you could fall in love with me. Yeah. And you would never be unfaithful to me. Nope, never. And you'd always adore me. Always. I just don't understand it. What's wrong with me? Why doesn't he kiss me? He has a chance for a romance. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? How come I don't thrill him? He doesn't feel my sex appeal. What's wrong with me? Maybe I'm much too exciting. At dinner he don't even slide. I know I'm truly inviting. So why don't he stay for dessert? He asked me out in the moonlight to linger into Rome. I thought he'd take me in his arms, but he just took me home. What's wrong with him? He's lost his libido. I'm taught he never not. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with him? We should be out dancing. I'm hot to trot. He'd rather not. What's wrong with him? There's things more important